Do you want to know how you can add child or students on Duolingo? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add child to Duolingo or your students to Duolingo. Just go ahead and open Duolingo, which is on your phone, or install it from Google Play. Then go to your profile and go to settings. Scroll a bit down and you can see Duolingo for Schools. Go ahead and tap on it and you can see that you can join a classroom. Enter the code shared by your teachers. This lets your teachers see your progress, send assignments and control your account on Duolingo. So you must share the code to your child or your students. After the code has been written here and click submitted, then the student or the child will be added to your classroom on Duolingo. So guys, this is how you add a child or student on Duolingo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.